Welcome to Fishing Dorset Live.
Welcome back, Fishing Dorset Live. Back out on a Friday night, temperature's going to be minus again, so it's going to be cold. I'm just going to cut the shout outs, guys. One to Dobbo's Fishing Adventures. He's got quite a big channel, guys. He's a real genuine bloke, nice to talk to. He's always giving me shout outs on his videos, guys. So go and give Dobbo's Fishing Adventures a like and a subscribe. I would really appreciate that. He supports my channel. Least I can do is get my supporters to try and support his channel. Right, second one, guys. I've got a new collaboration for my channel for rigs. J&I rigs. Most of the rigs are Termy links, Cox and Roll hooks, Sakumas. They're reasonably priced. He's in my about section. Right, back to business. My target tonight, Plaice. That's my target. Low water, 7 o'clock. I'm here early just to get it set up, have a bit of a chill out. I've got one rod out right now. The conditions look all right. I'm hoping to get the bass as it starts just to get dark. Anything else, I'm happy to catch. All I've got tonight, same old, same old. I've got ragworm, guys. I don't see the point packing up loads of bait when I know full well I can come down to my local mark on the south coast, bag up on ragworm, or hopefully bag up on ragworm. My rods are out, well, one rod's out. Just seeing what the situation's like. Tide's going out at the moment. I'll leave it out there for about half an hour, have a cup of coffee, get set up, the rest of my gear, and then we'll get into it, guys. Don't forget, like and subscribe if you haven't already, guys. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get back to the fishing. Right, I've got the one rod set up. The other rod sat there. I've just bait it up. I've got the coal mix tonight. I'm on a groin, so there's no point having massive rods tonight. Got the Shimano's. The tide's pulling out. But yeah, so far it's a beautiful evening. People are swimming, believe it or not. They must be mental, but there you go. Right, tide tonight. Low water is 7 minutes past 7. And high water's 12 o'clock. And it's a 0.6 to a 1.8. Hopefully that's on the tide going down, guys. There, it's going to go down and then back up the other side. It's getting dark now. I've got both rods out on the outgoing tide, so if we catch anything, it's all good. But there we go. Let's get into the session now. Hopefully we can bag something up. Right, we're just starting the start of the run-in. I've had no bites at all on the run out. I missed half of it anyway. But yeah, both rods out. J&I rigs on there, guys. 2 hook flapper on the left, 3 hook flapper on the right. Loaded up with ragworm. We've got a nice run-in. So hopefully something will come out. We're open for Plaice. That's my target tonight, a Plaice. I don't want a small one. I want a reasonably good sized one. Let's hope it's happening tonight. I'll bring you back if anything happens, guys. Right, guys, into my first bites on the left and the right rod. I was just about to swap the rigs over to something else. Like I always say, you put the camera on and the bite stop. But it started with a bite on the right rod, and now the left rod's going as well. Hopefully you can see the rods. I've got the light on. Let's hope we can catch something. But we've got a good run up to 12 o'clock tonight, so yeah. Got a good few hours fishing. On my own tonight. quite peaceful. There we go, guys. Beautiful bite, left rod. Obviously it's hard to zoom in on a GoPro when you're sat at the front of it. I'll turn the light down on the camera a little bit, hopefully you can see a bit of action. Well, so if anything's like that, guys, I'll bring it back. Like I said, I've got bites on left and right. This is the turn of the tide. We're probably about 15-20 minutes into the running. There we go. Left rod again, guys. Right, if anything happens, I'll bring you back. Just going to bring the left rod in, guys. Tap it away still. Let's hope it's no blank. But what I'll have to do is climb down the rocks a little bit. Right, guys, we've done it. First one, beautiful little place, guys. The second rod's going as well, but there we go. Beautiful little place. I'm gonna get them off, guys. I'm gonna get them back, bait up. Hopefully, we can smack a few out tonight, guys.
Love it when a plan comes together.
There we go. Lovely little place, guys. I'm gonna get them straight back. Hook comes straight out, no problem at all. But there we go. Beautiful, cracking start. Right, the second rod was biting, so the first one's in. First one, first place. I'm just about to bring the second one in. Hopefully, there's one on there as well, guys. I'm just going to turn the light out. I've got the other light on, guys. I've got to, obviously, gently climb down the rocks very carefully, because you cannot lift the fish over these rocks until it's high water, otherwise you get snagged up. I'm just going to go and get it in now, guys. Let's hope we have number two. There we go. Number 2. I'll get him off, I'll get you a quick shot guys, and I'll get it back. It's only small, but I'll get it baited up and then get the fish back guys. Happy days. There we go. Not the world's biggest, but it's a catch. That's number 2 guys. I'm gonna get this one back. Got fresh bait out on both rods now. Fingers crossed. I have a good session. It ain't too bad. 2 fish. And I'm getting a bite on the rod I just cast out. So this could turn. Hopefully into a good session. Right, I've got a bite going guys, I'll bring you back. Right, so far, the first out of that run, I've had 2 Plaice out. I've had a few little taps, but nothing getting on the hook. What I've done now is I swapped over to a J&I, a single clip down pulley panel. Literally loaded that up with ragworm on the left rod, and I've still got the J&I 3 hook flapper on my right rod. It's going to be quite a late session for me tonight. I'm not live streaming tonight. Hopefully we can see a few more Plaice, maybe a bass, pelt, whiting. At the moment I'm happy to catch anything really, but the Plaice are showing that they're not massive, but it's good to be catching. Let's see what goes on guys, see if we can get a few more. Getting into the tide a little bit now. On the right one, had a few nice little taps. Hopefully it comes back, whatever's there. It's been tapping away for a little bit, but there's no definite bite. It's a beautiful night, but it's freezing. Just waiting to see if the tip goes again. Like I say, at the moment, 3 hook flapper and a pulley panel. And I am loading up ragworm. But like I say, it's nice to get a few videos out. Bit of content from my channel, which is good, can't be a bad thing really. But yeah, don't look as though it's going to go again now I've got the camera on. But yeah, the tide's ripping in, absolutely ripping in. So yeah, I've got the left rod way out to the left and the right rod way out to the right. Right, let's see how we get on for the rest of the session. Getting beautiful bites now on the right rod. Hopefully the lights will show the rods up. What I'm going to do guys, I'm going to bring it in. But like I say, the places I fish guys, it's not hard to work it out. The majority of them is quite local really. But I'm just going to bring that right rod in guys, hopefully you can see what's going on. I'll pan the camera around a little bit. Hopefully there's another fish on there. Missed that one, guys. I'll bait him up. This is a 3-hook flapper one. I'll bait it up, I'll get it back out. Hopefully we can get some more. Right, back 2 hours in the session, guys. A whiting. Only one so far. Hopefully there's no more. I'm going to keep going for about an hour and then knock it on the head for the session tonight, guys. I'll get this off, I'll get it back. Right, guys, not a bad session really. Could have been better, it could have been poorer. 2 plaice, 2 whiting. I've had a few bites most of the night, but it has been quiet. Basically that first run up for the first hour seemed to be the hot spot. The plaice wasn't that big, but it's target species, so I'm happy. I've got the 1 rod out, I'm just about to pack up now. I'll probably come back tomorrow morning. I've got quite a lot of ragworm left over, so I'll probably come back for a morning session. So I'll either add it onto this video, guys, or I edit another session for like a daytime session. So big shout out to my mate Bill and his daughter. Brought me some chips down tonight and a drink, so cheers Bill, buddy, really appreciate that. Just a quick shout out, J&I guys, the link's in my about section for rigs. He's got a YouTube channel, go and check him out as well. Rig Shark, tip lights work to treat again the night like always. And like and subscribe, guys. Hopefully fishing will start picking up a lot better, we get a bigger plaice. There's like always, guys, there's content on my channel. Have a watch, leave a comment, leave a like, guys. I'd really appreciate it. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks very much, guys.